Right, good morning everyone. Welcome back to a very sunny Devon. Summer has finally arrived. We are well happy about that. It's a Monday morning. We've just dried off another 18 cows this morning, 17 cows this morning. So we're now down to milking 121, which brings our dry cow total up to 207. So yes, we're dwindling in numbers. We've started feeding the hay as well, so the dry cows are on standing hay, which is deferred grazing. So basically just grass that's like nearly waist high and full of nothing but gut filler. No nutrition whatsoever. They've also got feed trailers full of round bale hay with them as well, just to keep them full and to stop them eating the grass so quick. We need Le Manitou this morning. Pop. Hear the fan fire up briefly. Now one day last week, me and Rob went over and started limbing up some trees, which you would have seen a little bit of in the end of the last video. Today we're going to go and hopefully finish that job. I have the easy part, I'm sat in the air conditioning. Rob's out in the heat with the chainsaw. But we've had a busy few days the end of last week. So we had Royal Welsh Show on Thursday. You're going to see the highlights from that in just a second. And then we also had the Mid Devon show on Saturday, which is brilliant. That's a local show to us. I really enjoy the Mid Devon show. It's only a one-day show, but it is brilliant. See a lot of people you know. It's great fun. They've got a demonstration, which a lot of places still don't have. So they're cutting grass, baling it up and doing whatever. They had a sprayer there and all sorts, big steam tractors. And yeah, it's just the weather was perfect. Not too hot, sun was out, spot on. Right, Rob's just sharpened up his chainsaw. Just going to get a bottle of water because it's getting warm already. Just stick my glasses in there in case we need them. I also managed to get myself a new hat at the weekend. Sadie from St Boniface Vets gave me and Rob one each. So we're going to be rocking that one today. Right, fire up, let's go. We've got boom suspension on, good. We want that. Sounds like we've got a sunroof in. The back window, which I didn't even realise opened, was open. Tilt the grab back a bit, so we're not going to spike people in the face. Right, we're going to head off to the field. In the meantime, you guys can watch the highlights from the Royal Welsh Show. We didn't film too much, but what we did, you can have a look at. Welcome to the Royal Welsh Show with the biggest farmer in Devon here.
Big farmer.
And then another farmer from Devon. And then we got a couple of JM Farming fans. Go on, Moors, get a football. Go on, Ab. Oh, look, Ab has a bag as well, look.
Can you have a free ball? Oh,
she's got herself a bag already. Got the ball in it?
Yeah.
Why didn't you get a ball?
Oh.
Is it free, is it?
Give him a shout out, isn't it?
Thank you, Simply Vans, for this wonderful ball.
Like a Corvus, Moors?
Sorry?
Like a Corvus?
Oof.
Think of all the damage we could do in here, Joe.
Jesus. Ran up a few cows in that. It's too clean.
Too clean. Moore
Yeah.
says it's too clean.
Too clean.
High up, isn't it?
Lovely seat.
That's quite high, isn't it?
Joe, what's this device on the front of this tractor?
Looks like someone had cut grass.
What it is?
Yeah, well, to be fair, he's right.
And it's got a couple on the back so you don't miss it. Good overlap. Good overlap.
They've got one on the back.
It looks like.
What does this do, Joe?
That looks like Phil Anstey's dream. Far too many.
What, all the moving parts and all the cogs?
Far too many.
Thumping grating. Auto lube, Joe?
Always useful.
Yes. Are we allowed to get in this one? It has.
Do they all
The
have
new
that?
header?
They don't all have that though, do they?
Yeah.
Oh.
They're normally just up out of the way so you can't see them.
Gusset like that.
This tyre's
Make
tall.
sure he can see out the
Yeah,
side.
exactly.
Tyre's taller than me. That's a big tyre. So Joe wants a belted Galloway, but he doesn't reckon this trailer's good enough for it because the ramp's too stuck. For just the one belted Galloway.
Good. You get 30 seconds.
In how long?
30
Oh, hang on, Moors, I don't want your arse cracking it.
Ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Oh, it's
Coming out! Sorry, I'm used to the suction unit. Oh, this is pathetic.
This is bad, Moors.
More in it.
Yeah, it's full.
Yeah, don't milk it like a real cow, it doesn't work.
You just have to squeeze the ends.
Just squeeze,
Oh.
just squeeze.
Oh, there we go. There's a little knack to it.
Yeah.
Stop, Moors.
Oh,
That's definitely.
There you go, carry on.
Let's start again.
No, that's his final go.
Who else is having a go? I'm not just doing it.
Go on, Josh, you
Oh, that's not.
Half of that was rain as well.
Yeah, probably.
That's a good 40 mil.
40 mils, yeah, put him on the board, yeah.
I think that's
Well,
alright.
no one's got 40.
What's your name?
Ollie.
The wooden spoon winner.
Yes.
Yeah, you haven't done very well there.
How many cows is it you look after?
Yeah.
It's 400. Oh dear.
Oh, goodness me.
Yeah. Held back.
Ready?
Ready, go.
There you are, look, just squeeze the end more. See if we can
Not
get...
the natural way.
Just not the natural way. Come on!
How many have you got? 3?
2, I can't. You got 3 on the go? I think I got more than your 40 mil.
Sorry?
Don't you beat you already, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's not 450 mil.
No, it's not.
Who got 450 mil?
And what are they doing?
Who's got 12? No, you're 75.
That's not too bad. You beat 40.
Right, Joe, you're up.
There you go, that's coming out quicker now.
She's going to win. How did it go then, Morse?
Dreadful.
Yeah, it wasn't very good, was it?
No, I think I'll retire from Derek.
There you are, down the bottom.
Oh yeah.
I'm only just above you, to be fair. Now, I think we need this for getting the cows in. And if you have a cow that refuses to come in, you just put the chain round her and drag her in.
It worked.
What do you reckon, Morse? Get 2 of them?
Get 2 of them. I reckon your boss would let you. One of these.
This is insane.
Let's get on the back.
It's got a massive brake pedal.
It's probably got heated seats.
It's probably got heated seats.
Look at that.
There's the spec sheet, Morse.
That's not a random thing to sell at a show.
You could do a link box on the back for all
So you
the
got towage?
for the lambs and stuff.
A link box for all the
You've
lambs.
got to be a little bit practical with that.
Oh.
All the
All the whistles. And the bells?
yeah, that's it. Yeah, I lost my words. Very nice.
Cool.
Is that my price range?
Yeah. Well, considering the price range is nil, it's just about out of it.
Yeah.
Jet ski for the wet winters we
I
have.
just think that would be
Oh,
brilliant.
that is cool. That's road legal as well. It's got a number plate on the back. Go on, Jack. Oh, look at it. This one's living its absolute best life.
You okay, hon?
Oi,
Oh.
sir.
You okay, sir?
There he is. Oh, he's awake.
He's not happy.
Got 2 in. Joe, what do you reckon to the cow? How many of these do you get on your rotary?
Yeah.
He's a big old boy.
Yeah. Little blue bit.
Right, lads, we're off.
Definitely fit another person.
Hi, Lamb. Oh, well, I could do.
What's in your armrest, Morse? Oh, little tray, pull out.
No.
Surely.
No? Why is it left on
Couple
dry? And what's that animal for?
Just to hold on for dear life when,
Yes.
when Joe's driving.
Is that meant to be like a screen?
Look, that'd knock your teeth out, wouldn't it, if you were to crash?
Well, no, if you had a sat nav or something on it.
No, not that, the thing for the Morse. Oh. It hasn't got any of the buttons in, has it? It's like a demo model, I suppose. Little auto
I
box.
mean, as soon as you turn the wheel, the whole of this moves.
Good build quality is what you're saying.
Not really.
Let me take pictures.
nice, then.
Oh, look at the room we got back here, Jay. Oh, we got it forward, Jay.
It just seems like a lot to go wrong.
Well, the idea is that this hood is down, and then that breaks it up, drops it onto the discs, and then you've got an even manure to spread in a nice even pattern.
Nice.
So whoever uses this one is going to have a plastic water bowl to spread. Also, look at my picture. How cool is that? Dairy cow. I don't think I've got a tractor big enough to pull that tanker even for it. Look at the size of that. That is disgustingly big. it's honking. $6,000 gallons.
I think that does the same. Breaks up the grass into nice neat piles.
Obviously. What does this do, Joe?
You go in it and you come out square.
I reckon it wraps
All
up
round.
It wraps up bales. It's got to. It's got to be a bale. Look, a muck hail. Yeah.
So what? It's got a bin inside. Why it's got a bin inside?
Get rid
Oh,
of the
for your
gloves.
empty grease cartridges, look. Look, put your grease cartridge in, and then you put your empty one in your bin. Extra knives.
Good for the environment, that. Or if Gus goes for a poo, put your dog poo bag in there.
Right, yeah, okay. Now we're going around the back of people's tents, this is good. Oh, look at
Caravans.
that. Where's the camera? There must be a camera on it somewhere.
There it is.
Oh yeah, more than a spot of the camera.
Greased up nice.
What size are these for this spin? Give me a spin, Joe.
Come on, no.
Over where?
No.
No?
There's a picture here saying don't do that.
Oh, is that?
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's have a look.
This is don't crawl under it.
Yeah, that's not that doesn't say do that.
Well, that looks like he's pushing it.
No. I don't know. Well done, Morse. Oh, Joe's spinning this one. What does this do, Joe?
Breaks up the ground by the looks of it.
Right,
So do that.
it's a roller.
Right, we've just finished lopping up all the trees. As you can see, there's a fair bit of stuff here. I mean, look at all that. Shame we haven't got a wood chipper or anything. Rob and his parents both got fires, so it'll all get lobbed up for fires, and some friends will have some, I suspect. Now, we're not taking the edges of the trees off because we hate trees. We actually like trees. It's just getting a bit tight with fertiliser and slurry and keep the forager drivers happy and the mower men and all that sort of stuff. So at some point we'll come and pick it all up and push it all around and whatever before first cut next year. The heifers had moved down to the end breaks. We did all those trees the other day, and that one and all those. Now look, these fence toppers are quite handy. You can drop the fence and drive over it if you need to, like we've been doing. Tighten that back up. Perfect. Manitou needs a wash after the sand campaign. Anyway, Rob is waiting. There's a little stock pen in the corner up here. So Rob's just waiting up there. We're going to just tidy that up a bit. Because at some point soon we're going to have to run some of these heifers home. And I'm guessing we'll want to pick them out in that pen. So we're going to tidy that up. So that's a bit more usable. And that'll be us done over here. Right, I've just finished milking. And my car is absolutely scorching hot. So I've got to let it cool down for a minute with the aircon on before I can get in. But look at this. All those tyres fitted in one load, one Arctic lorry. So I thought it'd be interesting to see if you guys could guess how much an Arctic lorry full of tyres weighs. They were all car tyres like the ones you see on the pit over there. It filled a walking floor lorry right to the brim. It was well within legal limits, so I'll give you that as a bit of a clue, but just have a guess down in the comments how many tons of tyres you think were on the floor there. You have to go back to the last video if you want to see how big a pile it was. Cheerio, gents. Thanks for the day out.
No worries.
We'll go around Moors for a farm tour next Thursday.
Oh yeah.
Content Thursdays.
Content Thursday.
Like and subscribe, and then do that. He'll edit it.
Like and subscribe.
Do your horn as well.
No, not do the horn.
Oh.
Oh!
You're gonna do it all in time.
No. You're supposed to cover the camera with your hand.
Supposed to like and subscribe, and then cover the camera.
And then see
like
you
that.
next time.
Yeah.
Like and what?
Like it.
So with your hand, go like
Why
that.
don't you all do it together?
So on 3 we'll say like and subscribe.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Like and subscribe. Featuring the horn. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the highlights from Royal Welsh. We've been off pruning those trees today. That's taken up most of our day. We just come back and done the milking this afternoon. Off to do some stuff to some dry cows tomorrow, so I'll make sure I bring a camera along for that. And you can see that. And yeah, we're rapidly approaching calving. 3 weeks we'll have calves on the ground, I reckon. So obviously some exciting stuff to come. We got the heifers to run back from the park yet, so some cool stuff coming up. Also some stuff going on in the parlour soon, hopefully, that you'll get to see. Loads of good stuff. And of course my mic runs out of battery, so we're back on the GoPro one. Anyway,
Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Completely free, helps me loads, doesn't cost you anything. It's a win-win situation. And I will see you guys on another video very soon. Cheerio.